We all want to support our kids to grow into successful and capable adults. Is your child not able to organize basic things such as studies, playtime, television time, walking time, and setting their beds? Hi, my name is Ramya. I'm a senior child development trainer at Little Leap. Today I'm going to talk about a very important skill which will help your child to excel in life. That is organizing. Organizing is an important skill which means setting things into proper order. If your child is not organized, he or she will not be able to reach to their goals. Today I am here to talk about different ways of how you can make your child an organized child. Number 1, writing things down. Not everything which we see and hear we can remember or memorize. Hence, writing it down on a notebook or a sticky note or a diary will help us to set and know what all tasks which we need to do by the end of the day. For a better idea, we can also schedule or make a routine with a date and time so that we know what are the recent goals which we need to complete. For more tips, stay tuned for our next video.